Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a Porsche Cayenne, VW Touareg, Audi Q7. If you guys need to remove or replace fog light bulb or fog light assembly, stay with us, we will explain guys how to do that. Not very complicated, and we will explain a trick how you can easily do that. Before we start, let me tell you, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. So, with all that being said, okay, let's explain what we have here. Specifically, that's a 2006 Cayenne. But as you know, they share the same chassis, many of the components are interchangeable, underneath the vehicle practically everything's the same. They even reuse the engines in those vehicles guys. For instance, that's a Volkswagen part number here, so everything is exactly the same. Now, fog light assembly or fog light bulbs, you can see there on the bottom of the bumper, but how do you access those things? Okay, let us show you now. You will need to remove one cover guys, okay. This cover right here will need to come out. It has, okay, you can see it has two screws right here, okay, and then right there, two more, so 4 screws that you need to remove. The moment you remove that cover guys, okay, you're going to come on this side. Okay, you can see that's the fender liner. The cover has been removed. You can access, okay, you can access the bulb itself or the assembly as well. But I don't have very good room here to show you guys, but you can access it that way. We'll just come on this side so I can show you, because we have the fender liner removed. You do not have to remove the fender liner, remember that guys. All we have to do is just, you need to remove that little piece. Now if you need to remove the bulb, pretty simple. Go ahead, disconnect, okay, the wiring harness right here. Okay, and let's see now. Okay, you need to press in. Okay, I need to grab it with that hand. And it's gonna come out eventually, but it's stuck. So what we'll do, we'll remove the bulb, turn it counterclockwise, about 30-60 degrees, and you can see that's the clip that prevents the bulb from coming loose. So if I get a screwdriver now, okay, let me get a small screwdriver, we can actually pry that thing out, because otherwise, okay, that clip will get stuck sometimes. So let us show you, okay, how to do that now. So you come right here, okay, let me just reposition so you can see what I'm doing. Pry it like that, pull the bulb out. Okay, just grab and pull. And this is the bulb coming out if you need to buy a new one. Okay, I'll put the link in the description of the video below. It's the H. Okay, let me focus quick. Okay, 1 second. I need to position it here so I can change hands. And this is the bulb right here. I'll put the link where you can get one for a really good price and quick shipping as well. If you need to remove the assembly, pretty simple guys. Okay, you can access all the bolts from here. Okay, this one just, you need to get it just a little bit loose. Okay, and you will come out. So you have altogether 1, 2, 3 bolts, and this one just pre-loosen it and the whole fog light assembly will come out as well. Now if you need to remove the whole headlights fog lamp assembly, probably will be easier to remove the fender liner on this side so you can access it, but you can do it just through that little cover. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.